So I wanted to show everyone my birdhouses and bird feeders real quick, and I'll try to make this fast. So I got a birdhouse right there. Got corn for the squirrels. Got another feeder. Got a gourd I made into a birdhouse. Over here I got a little feeder, hangs from the window for oil sunflower seeds. Got a side-by-side tenement for the birds. Over here is my chicken area. I have a feeder there. I have a feeder here. Okay. By the fire pit, I have a jar feeder right there with the eagle carving from my neighbor. Then over here on the fence, we have a squirrel feeder with whole corn, birdhouse, squirrel feeder with whole corn with corn cobs. Got a squirrel house up here. They really like this one. In case a hawk comes, they'll hide in there. Over here is the squirrel catapult. That'll launch them pretty good. High tension spring. Nice trigger system that goes all the way up to the house, to the window. Have another squirrel feeder right here. Have another birdhouse here. Back towards the backyard, I got another suet block holder that holds 4. This is my newest one. I like this one. The deer like it. Over here I feed the deer the pumpkins and some whole corn. More sunflower seed. More suet blocks. That's a double. I think I do 8 suet blocks total. Then down the driveway across the street, I have a few more birdhouses. A lot of deer come up. We even have rabbits, have pheasants. All right, so there's a house there. There's a house there. Hopefully the squirrels chew that hole out a little bit bigger. We have one on this tree. That one's kind of hard to see. It's right in line. Okay, then we have 2 up here. Then farther down, we have another 1, 2, and 3. And I have 4 more squirrel feeders in the house I'm working on. Got the lights all set up. The chicken coop area is another thing. We have water set up and everything for the wildlife. Have no hawks or anything attack anything, so everything's safe around here. I feel that the little birds help alert to the chickens if there is danger. A lot of controversy around that with the bird virus going around. I got water there, little house. Used to be a garden. They got a pool over here full of water, and the neighbor's downspout fills it up. I got one there, and the downspout fills it up. Oh, there's another gourd that I painted, made into a birdhouse. Got the chicken set up with all the lights. But yeah, that's about my yard. Maybe I'm a little overkill, but I enjoy it.